Hello, how are you all? Today is the first Friday of this month and I am going to do what? A science experiment. You always know the first week, the first Friday, we always have a science experiment. Okay, today's experiment is knowing about different states of matter. Okay, states of matter. நம்ம சுத்தி இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் in what form they are in. You are able to touch them, you are able to see them, you are able to feel them, right? So how do you feel it? Okay, that is what we are going to see. There are three types of matter, that's all. One is called solid. Solid னா உங்க கையில பிடிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். சரியா? You can hold it like this. For example, the brown stairs. See, I can hold it like this. I can keep it like this. This is solid. இதுவும் solid தான். இந்த போர்டும் solid தான். இதெல்லாம் பிடிக்கலாம் இல்லையா? You can hold it. அது வெச்ச இடத்துலயே உட்காரும். இல்லையா? அதுதான் solid. So நம்ம சுத்தி இருக்கிற நிறைய விஷயம் எல்லாமே solid தான். TV, radio or the camera, the mobile phone which you are seeing now, laptop, your pencil, your pen, your book, the paper, இது எல்லாமே solid. என்னது? Solid. அதை நீங்க இப்படி கையில பிடிக்கலாம். Okay, and it will stay wherever you keep. That is called solid. Next state though inga vechiruken pathringa, I put the pink tower on a chowki. Okay, so the chowki is also a solid, the pink tower is also a solid. So will you repeat the word for me? Solid. Solid. Anything that you can hold, cup, glass, spoon, அது எல்லாமே solid. உங்களால கையில பிடிக்க முடியும் அதெல்லாம். சரியா? Solid. Next one is liquid. Liquidங்கிறது தண்ணி மாதிரி. Can I hold water like this in my hand? No, it will spill. இல்லனா அது drip பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கும். கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா சொட்ட ஆரம்பிக்கும் இல்லையா? அது drip ஆயிடும். So you cannot hold it. அதுக்கு தனியா ஒரு கண்டெய்னர் வேணும். இப்போ அந்த லிக்விட ஊத்தி வைக்கிறதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு glass தேவைப்படும். இல்லையா? அது உள்ள தான் அது இருக்கும். தனியா can I keep the liquid somewhere? இல்ல. அப்படி போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? கீழ இந்த மாதிரி it will spread. Is it not? It will spread out like that. So liquid is like that. Liquidக்கு போட்டு வைக்கிறதுக்கு you definitely need one container. Without that container, the liquid will pour off. Even if you are going to hold in your hand, if you want to release that water somewhere, you have to pour it into something. Illena it will flow off somewhere. Illa sotta sotta vilum. So that thing which is not having a proper form, adukku shape kedaiyadu, andha mari edukku enna solluvom? Liquid. So liquids la ennalam irukku? Water irukku, aprom juice, then oil, aprom petrol, then there are so many things you can add on like this which are in liquid form. Ninga use pandra shampoo, okay, all those are in liquid form. You need something to pour and keep in it. Ninga sambar saaprenga illaya, sambar is in liquid form, rasam is in liquid form. Okay, okay, now what we will do is we are going to the third state. Third state is called the gaseous state. Okay, gas. Okay, first solid paathom. Solid ungalala pidikka mudiyum. If you put it somewhere, it will stay in that place. Liquid is you can try and hold. Konjam you can hold water in your hand, but you cannot keep it in a place because it will flow off. Adha thanni poidum. Adu liquid. Third one, gas is like adu pidikavum mudiyadu. Okay, and it will not stay in a place also. For example, you've seen mummy using the cooker in the kitchen. So when the whistle blows, when the whistle goes right in the cooker, you see the steam coming out. சத்தமும் கேட்கும், ஆனா உங்களுக்கு அதில இருந்து ஒரு காத்து போறது தெரியும் இல்லையா? That is the gas state. Can you catch it? No. Even if you catch it, it will go away. And where does it go? அது காத்துல கலந்து போய்டும். சரியா? It will just mix in the air and it will vanish. So you can't see it, you can't hold it or touch it, or neither can you keep it in a place. Okay, so that is called gas. So this you would have seen a lot. Solids, I told you, everything which you can hold is solid. Your book, your pencil, chalk piece, slate, mobile phone, everything is solid. Liquid வந்து நீங்க குடிக்கிற தண்ணி, oil, petrol, shampoo, all those things are liquid. Gas. This is a new thing that you know that it is around you. உங்களை சுத்தி இருக்கு. Okay, the air that you are breathing in, that is also going in as a gas only. And it is coming out as a gas. M2 children know what goes in is oxygen and what comes out is carbon dioxide. Is it not? Okay. So now I am going to show you how you can make gas. Okay. When you mix two things together, some reaction happens and gas comes out. Let's see if we can see the gas with our eyes. If we cannot see the gas in our eyes, we'll do one more method and see how we can find the gas. Are you ready? Okay, come. Okay, we are starting our experiment. For this, I will need one clean tumbler through which you can see. And I need one liquid. Liquid na thanni madri. Ana this is not water. This liquid is called vinegar. Okay, so you're going to do this experiment with your mummy and daddy. Okay, you can't do alone. We'll see. I'm going to pour vinegar into this. Okay, I have poured some vinegar in this. This is not water. It looks like water, but this is vinegar. Then I'm going to need next is baking soda. Seriya? Baking soda. It looks like a white powder. Okay? I will show it to you in the spoon. It looks like a white powder. It has a smell also. Now we'll see what happens when I put this baking soda in vinegar. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Watch what happens. Did you see what happened? Something came up. It came up. All that liquid came up. But do you see gas? உங்களுக்கு சத்தம் கூட கேட்டுச்சு இல்லையா? But did you see the gas in your eyes? Because I can get the smell of it. Something new has formed. When gas has come out, I can smell it. You cannot smell it because you are on that side of the camera. You cannot see it. ஆனால் இதிலிருந்து ஒரு ஸ்மெல் வந்திருக்கு. That smell has come with the gas. உங்களுக்கு அந்த gas தெரிஞ்சுதா? Were you able to see it? No. Because gas mostly you cannot see it. You cannot see the air that you are breathing. Oxygen, can you see your oxygen? No. Can you see the carbon dioxide coming out? No. அந்த மாதிரி இந்த gas உங்களுக்கு கண்ணுல தெரியாது. Now because அது கண்ணுல தெரியாதனால நம்ம வந்து ஒரு எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் வேற ஒரு எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். Are you ready? In that, let's see how the gas will be formed. Come, let's see that. For this, I will need one bottle. One empty, clean bottle which is transparent. உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும். So, it has to be transparent. And I'm going to pour the same vinegar into this bottle. Okay? I'm going to pour this vinegar into the bottle. See. Seriya? See? I poured it. Now, I don't need this anymore, so we'll close it and I'll put it away. I don't need this funnel also. I'm going to put it away. That's your vinegar. Can you see it? It's like water. ஒண்ணுமே ஆகல. It is just sitting. ஒண்ணுமே ஆகல. தண்ணி மாதிரியே தான் இருக்கு. It's just like water. But it is different. It is not water. Now, again I'm going to use our baking soda. But instead of putting baking soda into the bottle, I am going to put it into the balloon. Okay? So, on the balloon உள்ள போடுறதுக்கு I use funnel. In the Montessori environment, when you want to transfer this rava and all, how you are doing? You are using funnel, right? Okay, so now I am going to use this funnel. So if you are using the same funnel, இதுவே யூஸ் பண்ணுறதா இருந்தால் இது வாஷ் பண்ணிவிட்டு ட்ரை பண்ணிவிட்டு then only you have to take the next one. It has to be clean and dry. But I am using another one. Okay, so let's get started. So I am going to put the baking powder into this. Okay, it has to go inside. Yes, I'll put some more into this. Okay, yes, okay. Okay, so I finished the baking soda and போட்டுட்டேன். Okay, okay, now I can remove the balloon from the funnel. Okay, இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இதை I have to attach it on the bottle, on the mouth of the bottle. Here I have to make sure that the soda powder will not go into this. So I'll hold it like this and இப்படி பிடிச்சிட்டு one round I'll do like this and then I'm going to fix it on the thing. Okay, there, fix பண்ணிட்டேன். Okay வா? Now when I say 1 2 3, what I am going to do is in the balloon la irukra in the soda powder I am going to toss it into the bottle. And what did you see? நான் முன்னாடி இந்த கிளாஸ்ல பண்ணும்போது நீங்க என்ன பாத்தீங்களா? You heard a sound. You heard one fizzing sound. You heard one fizzing sound and you saw it coming up little bit. But you couldn't see the gas. Now I am going to put this soda powder into this thing which is there. இது உள்ள இருக்குங்க. Okay, that is full of soda powder inside this. I am going to put it inside this vinegar. I just make sure that it is sitting tightly so that doesn't remove and come off. I am ready. I am at 1 2 3. I am going to upturn this balloon and all the baking soda is going to fall into it. We'll see what happens. Sound you may not be able to hear because it is closed, but we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm going to hold the tip of the balloon here. Okay, you can say it with me. 1 2 3. Do you see what happened? Did I blow the balloon? நான் ஊதுனேனா அந்த பலூனை? இல்லைல்ல. அப்போ எப்படி இது உள்ள காத்து போச்சு? How did air go inside? Can anybody tell me? It's quite awesome, right? The balloon just blew up with air. From where did this air come? Here we use vinegar and baking soda. அது ஒரு reaction ஆயிருக்கு. Because of that, it gives out one gas. Okay, gas. This gas, அதுக்கு இடம் வேணும். Just like how you need solid matters வைக்கிறதுக்கு how you need gas. Solid matter வைக்கிறதுக்கு solid matter இந்த solid நான் வைக்கணும்னா அதுக்கு I need place. Okay, I need place for this. If I want to keep water or liquid like this, for that also it occupies place. இவ்வளோ இடம் தேவை அதுக்கு. Gas also like that, it needs place. Okay, it needs place so that it can occupy it. So here we saw this experiment where we had this baking soda going and mixing with vinegar and when gas is produced, and the gas க்கு இடம் வேணும். Okay, it needs place to go and fill up everywhere, but we have closed it with a balloon, so it will fill up inside the balloon. So like solid and like liquid, how it needs place or space, air also needs space. Even gas needs space. Okay, this is the experiment. This is a very cool experiment. You all can try at home. It's very, 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 very interesting. Okay, you can try it and see it, but be careful. You have to do it with the help of your mummy or daddy. Okay, it will be such fun to watch it. After doing this, you will have to do your worksheet. Worksheet la you have this picture showing step by step what happens when you add the vinegar and the baking soda. Then how long does it take for it to blow up? Okay, now you see it filled up. After a point of time, what happened? It stopped. Now if I added more vinegar and more baking powder, probably I would have got a bigger balloon. Okay, but now it has stopped. Idukku mela it is not blowing up. It is not blowing up, which means what? Reaction stop ஆயிடுச்சு. இது ரெண்டும் mix ஆயிடுச்சு. இதுக்கு மேல reaction ஆகாது. So no gas will be produced. Okay, so this is the third state of matter, like solid, liquid. உங்களோட third state of matter is gas. Okay, gas. So you have to write it in your observation sheet, your worksheet, where it says that gases need room to fill up. அதுக்கும் இடம் வேணும். So in this particular activity, what happened? The gas which was produced is called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide it will fill up the bottle, and then bottle இருக்கிற இடம் பத்தல. That space is not enough. So it goes further upwards into the balloon, and it will fill up the balloon space also. That's why it is getting inflated. So you have to write here in this dotted line, in this dotted letters, gas occupies space. Okay, this is your activity. Gas needs space, so it will occupy wherever space it wants. Now உங்களுக்கு ஒரு குட்டி கதை சொல்றேன் இதுல. Okay, there was one old man. Okay, அவருக்கு ரொம்ப வயசாயிருச்சு. So he wanted to give all his wealth, அவங்க சேர்த்து வச்சிருக்கிற அத்தனையும் he wanted to give to his sons, but to that son who is very intelligent. Okay, because it's lot of money. You give to someone who is not intelligent, அதெல்லாம் waste ஆயிரும் இல்லையா? So he wanted to give to someone who is intelligent. So the father will tell, he called his 3 sons and tell வாங்க, and his 3 sons he will tell, I will give you 10 minutes time. Okay, 15 minutes time எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Okay, in 15 minutes you can use anything that you have around you to fill up this room. Okay, so what the first son will do, he'll go and he will get lot of cotton. In their farm they have lot of cotton, so he'll bring the cottons quickly and he'll start filling the room with cotton balls. But after 15 minutes also he is not able to fill even quarter of the room also. அது கூட அவங்கனால fill பண்ண முடியும். It was still left. Then the second son, it was his attempt. What he did, he brought gallons and gallons of water and he tried to fill up the water inside the room. But the water kept pouring through the windows and the doors, and so he was not able to fill up the room. The third son, he was a little intelligent. You know what he did? அவரு போய் அழகா கடையில போய் ஒரு ஊதுபத்தி வாங்கிட்டு வந்தாங்க. Okay, one ஊதுபத்தி and one matchstick. So he opened that ஊதுபத்தி or agarbatti. Okay, he opens that pack and he lights up all of that agarbatti sticks, and then he blows it. Then what happens? Smoke. Okay, smoke fills up the air. Fills up the room, and it fills up the entire room. See, the man who brought cotton, அவரால நிரப்ப முடியல. The man who brought water, அவராலையும் room full நிரப்ப முடியல. But the man who brought the gas, that is the agarbatti's gas, the fumes from that, அது வந்து ரூமை ஃபுல்லாக ஃபில் பண்ணிட்டாரு. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் யூ டு டெல் தட் gas or air will fill up the room. Okay, and there are many uses of this gas. Many uses of this gas. For example, நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், the gas which is collected in this is carbon dioxide இல்லையா? இந்த gas நான் சேவ் பண்ணி வச்சேன்னா, when I have tomorrow any fire accidents, no, if I release this carbon dioxide, right, like fire extinguisher, இதை நான் release பண்ணேன்னா I can put off the fire. So there are so many advantages of gases also. Okay, so with this reaction they'll collect and keep the gas in some containers so that they can use it whenever required, for example fire extinguishers. Okay children, do this activity. I'm very sure you will enjoy because it is a super cool experiment, and kindly fill up your activity sheet also. Okay, see you again in another video. Until then, bye bye.